This product is from Cosmetics, and they're claiming that this can be used for eyeshadow, cheeks, and lips. So hello guys, this is Lauren and I'm making a makeup tutorial of this look and also a review for this product from Cosmetics. They sent me this product last year around October. I think I won this from a cosplay competition I joined last year. So yun, ginawan ko na lang din ng tutorial and also yung review ko after ng tutorial. So if you guys want to see how I was able to achieve this look using these products, then keep on watching.
So una, let's prepare our skin before the makeup. So now I'm gonna clean my face using my facial cleanser and my cotton round. I'm also gonna spray some aloe vera to hydrate my skin a little bit. I'm not gonna prime my skin because I'm not planning on wearing the makeup for the whole day, but I suggest you guys do it whenever you put on makeup. I'm also gonna put all the product descriptions or link down below. So, sundan natin yung foundation. For the foundation, I'm using my beauty blender to put on my Maybelline Fit Me in Light Beige. So, I'm just dabbing it on my skin. And if may mga gusto kayong i-cover sa face nyo, tapos na-cover na siya ng foundation, there's no need for concealer. You just use the concealer for areas na hindi talaga kaya nung i-cover ng foundation nyo. Mga areas na gusto ko pa rin lagyan ng concealer. So, lalagyan ko siya ng Maybelline concealer. I forgot the shade pero I'll put it down below. And then, I'll just let that sit in for a bit, like a few minutes before ko siya i-blend on my skin. So, yun. For now, I'll focus on my under eye muna since gusto kong takpan yung mga bakas ng pagod ko.
So, medyo nagsatal na siya. So, pwede na natin siyang, ayun, para mas light lang yung pagkalapat ng beauty blender sa face natin. Mas maganda hindi natin siya pinipress. Pero I still have that habit na pinipress-press ko siya. Yung brush dito, ayan, yun yung gagamitin natin.
And then, iset natin siya with powder. It's gonna be flat looking right now, pero it's gonna get fixed once we do the contour.
I think it's called final powder. Yan. Dampi-dampi lang. Huwag naman sobra. Parang hindi mag-move lang yung foundation na nilagay natin kanina. Yung isang gusto kong gawin para hindi mapatakan ng kahit ano yung under eye ko. Kasi 'di ba maglalagay tayo ng mga eyeshadow ganyan. Nilalagyan ko muna siya ng powder para ma-bake na rin siya and also hindi dumikit sa foundation natin yung mga ilalagay natin sa eyes natin. I'll use this BYS translucent powder, I think. Or this is their final powder.
So, para sa kilay natin, I'm using this eyebrow powder by Shawill. I actually forgot to show you guys, pero nag-spray ako ng water dun sa brush ng eyebrow brush ko para mas precise yung lines na nilalagay ko sa eyebrows. So, yun, unti-unti lang, maglalagay ka ng product on your eyebrows para less mistake. I usually start dun sa inner corner. I also like to brush inner part of the eyebrows with the spoolie para maganda yung transition ng color niya from like the skin going to the eyebrows, if that makes sense. So in this part of the video, I'm basically just doing the exact same thing I did dun sa kabilang eyebrows, and while I'm saying a bunch of shit, hindi ko na rin alam kung ano sinasabi ko dyan. Pero yun, huwag nyo na lang masyadong pansinin if I'm like jumping in and out of the voiceover kasi there are recordings that sound really, really bad.
And next is yung eyeshadow na natin. So, finally, we're gonna use these products. So, hindi pala ako sure kung paano. So, finally, we're gonna use this product. So, I'm using the shade The Fool first as my... I think maganda i-swatch ko muna siya lahat dito para makita ko kung ano, saan ko siya gagamitin. I think we'll still go with The Fool for our eyeshadow base. I just put this on my eyelid, like on this part, like an eyeshadow base to create a gradient. I think it's pretty good. I can mix this a little bit with the Magician.
So, yung paglalagay natin ng eyeshadow, same lang siya kung paano natin nilalagay yung eyeshadow kapag ang gamit natin is yung mga eyeshadow palettes natin. So, kaya nilagay ko siya ng ganitong swatch sa arm ko. Ayan. So, kumuha ko ng darker shade and then nilagay ko siya dun sa, in that part of the eye. Tapos, medyo naparami yung kuha ko ng product. So, papalitan ko yung brush ko para ma-blend ko siya without adding more of that product. So, yan. I'm just keeping it close to the eyelid rather than going outward para hindi masyadong kumalat yung shade na yun. So, for this part naman, pinalitan ko yung brush ko na mas maliit na brush. Tapos, pinagmix ko yung mas dark pa na pigment yung ginamit ko para mag-focus ako dun sa mismong inner corner. Ayun. Tapos, di ko na siya ganong i-drag or i-blend palabas. Tapos, I'll also set it with the eyeshadow mismo para hindi kakalat yung pigment since lip tint nga itong ginagamit natin. So, I'm using Cashmere from Beauty Glaze palette.
After that, what I'm gonna do is work on the under eye part. Namatay yung camera ko. But basically, nilagayan natin ng High Priestess, I think. The High Priestess, under eye, and also the Empress. So, it's just a mixture of those two colors. And yun na. I think we're done with the eyeshadow. So, I'll just put on my eyelashes and my liquid eyeliner and mascara. I think if I'm fine with the mascara, I'll just not put on the eyelashes, but we'll see. Before putting on the liquid eyeliner, this is something that I want to do and I only discovered doing this recently. So I want to grab my brush that comes with it's actually the eyebrow brush. So I just grab a dark eyeshadow. I'm using the one I use for my eyebrows. So I just grab that and then put some of this here kasi feeling ko uso siya, the fox eye look, but not really the fox eye, but just a winged eyeshadow on that part.
So, for my liquid eyeliner, I'm using the Maybelline Hyper Sharp Power Black. I started with the wing mismo. And then, ayun, unti-unti lang, manipis na line lang na binibuild ko very, very close to the lash line, the lashes. Ganyan, unti-unti lang. And make sure to use the tip of the liquid eyeliner para hindi kayo mapakapal yung lagay nyo. Also, Kung paano yung direction ng line, ganun din dapat yung direction ng eyeliner. Ayan. Dinadagdagan ko ng konti yung wing niya. So, kontento na ako. And then for my mascara, I'm using the Total Temptation mascara. I like it that it's not waterproof kasi for me, I don't want to use waterproof mascara kasi nalalagas yung lashes ko whenever I wash it. So yun, I think it's healthier to use this one, and also di nagdidikit-dikit yung lashes kapag ito yung ginagamit ko. I also like using the other one, the falsies ata yun. Yung wand nun.
Actually, okay na ako sa eyelashes ko. Hindi ko na gagamitan ng false eyelashes. Kasi parang, well, kontento na ako. We'll put on the blush. As I've said earlier, we're gonna use these products. Get my brush for my blush. Brush for my blush. Oh, fuck. This one's kind of big. So I'll just mix this. Oh, that's scary. I'll just mix everything, I guess. And then just check. Yung placement ng blush ko ngayon is normal lang. Kasi parang kung paano lang ako naglalagay ng ng cheek tint. Kasi parang lang siya medyo parang sunburn color siya. Go and put on the contour. Mukha akong nasunog yung palette. Which is good kasi sobrang putla ako talaga. For the contour, I'll just use this Lustrous palette. Kasi baka makabingwit din tayo ng James Reid. So, brush mo lang siya ng paganyan. So, alam naman natin na ang laki ng pisngi ko, kaya kailangan niya i-contour every time na may event. Although kapag daily naman, hindi ko naman siya ginagawang mag-contour kasi tamad ako. Baka hindi na ako makilala. Asa na yung malaking pisngi? Ay, hindi siya yun. I think di na maglalagay ng contour sa my nose area kasi naglagay na tayo dyan ng blush. So, ayoko mag-blush sila. So, yun. So, ngayon naman maglagay tayo ng konting highlights and then mattify a little bit yung face natin kasi sobrang oily ko na ngayon kasi ang init sa room.
So, ginamit ko lang ulit yung powder na ginamit natin kanina to set the foundation para lang matanggal yung mga, para lang mas maset pa natin yung foundation.
The Glow Baby Glow by BYS.
Ginamit ko lang yung shade na to. I'm just using my finger to put it on my face. Kasi sabi nila kapag yung gagamitin mo ng product is shimmery or something with like glitters or the highlights, it's better to just use your fingers kesa gumamit ng brushes. Pero okay din naman yung brushes. Mas controlled yung pagkakalagay kapag fingers. So, nalalagyan ko rin yung tip ng nose ko, tapos yung Cupid's bow. Ayan. Tapos, lalagyan ko din yung inner corner ng eyes ko para magmukha naman akong gising na gising. Kahit ang totoo niyan, wala pa akong tulog.
I'm so confused which one to use for my lips right now kasi ang gaganda niya. I guess I'll show you all the shades and then we can choose from that. The full yung napili kong gamitin natin for this look since I think okay na yung eyeshadow natin. Masyado na tayong loud kapag we go for the darker one.
A few moments later.
Now I'm back and I fixed my hair obviously and naglagay na din ako ng earrings. And I chose the shade of this one, the Fool, and I think it works better with this eyeshadow look. I don't want to go too crazy with my lips anymore. And also, medyo malapad talaga yung lips ko. So, kitang-kita siya kapag sobrang kapal ng sobrang dark ng ginamit kong color, and I think that's fine. But for this look, I want it to be a little bit daylight friendly look. So this is a look you can use for, you know, weddings or any events, or just at home like Zoom meetings, ganun. Pwede mo siyang gamitin. Okay, now for the review of the Cosmic Gold Lip Tints. I think this is a very good alternative if you are traveling and you don't wanna carry a lot of makeup palettes. So I think ganito lang yung dala mo, or like 1 or 2 of these products, you can take this with you, and then that's it. You can use that for your blush, your eyeshadow, and your lips, and you can still make a very good makeup look with these products. Hindi niya ginagawang dry looking yung lips ko, which is super hard for a matte lip tint to do. Lahat ng tinry ko dati, lipstick and lip tints, nagmumukha talagang dry yung lips ko. Kasi nga, dry naman talaga yung lips ko. Pero this one, hindi niya ina-amplify yung look na dry siya. It's made from the Philippines, so that's a good thing, right? And it's also vegan friendly. And I think that's it. I love the pigments. I love the colors that they choose for this collection. But this one is transferable if you eat or, you know, drink. So bring one with you whenever you use it. I'm willing to try more of their products kasi they're very interesting. Well, that's it for this video. I hope you like this look, and also if you have any requests, like how I did some stuff, or like the makeup looks I did on my Facebook account or my Instagram, so just let me know. Or if there's like a makeup trend that you want me to try, then I'll try to do it, and then take a video of it so I can show you guys if I can do it or not. So that's it. I hope you like this video. I hope you like this look, and see you on my next video. So hopefully I have a next video. Bye!